So we just bought a new water purifier because my old one broke, and if anybody's having real problems with it leaking, as you can see right here on the seam right here, it's not secure. When you first open it, you just put the lid on top of it and the filter on the inside. So the easiest way to fix this is instead of calling PUR to fix your problem, take off the lid and rotate the filter on the inside. Simple rotation and put it on there. It's going to lock in securely, and the back side where your lid pops up, it's going to lock in on the back. And now your water will not come out after you refill it. You can tilt it with no issues. You can push it down as far as you want to. Tilt it down and the lid will not come off. You will not have any more problems with the purifier.